There are 6 exclusive traveling merchants in Grow a Garden, and most players miss them. Here's every merchant, what they sell, and why you should find them fast. 1. Gnome Merchant. This one sells for types of gnome crates: common, classic, farmers, and iconic. Great if you're hunting for gnome collectibles. 2. Sky Merchant. The Sky Merchant sells powerful and expensive gear: Night Staff for 12 million, Star Collar for 15 million, and Cloud Touch Spray for a whopping 50 million shekels. 3. Honey Merchant. Only accepts honey, not shekels. You can buy a bee egg, honey sprinkler, flower seed pack, bee crate, and honey crafter's crate. You can also trade pollinated fruits, 1 honey per kilogram. 4. Summer Seed Merchant. Sells all the old summer seeds that Tom used to offer, including cauliflower, banana, kiwi, pitcher plant, and more. Perfect for collectors or crop diversifiers. 5. Mutation Spray Merchant. This one sells 3 powerful sprays: wet, windstruck, and verdant mutation sprays, each costing 50 million shekels. They're key for pet evolution strategies. 6. 4th of July Merchant. Only spawns on the 4th of July. Sells 5 Liberty Lily, 15 Firework Flower, 30 fireworks, 1 bald eagle, and 7 July 4th crates. Limited time and super exclusive. Have you found all 6 merchants yet? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more Grow a Garden secrets.